Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm living abroad. I'm going to give you a grand tour of my apartment here in Tbilisi, Georgia. My name is Alex and you can live through me. So, if you saw Wednesday's video, you may remember that I kind of got scammed at the first place I was staying at. But I'm much happier now in this new place, and stick around until the end of the video. I'll tell you guys how much I'm paying for all of this. So, before we get started, before I show you everything, let's go outside. I'll show you what the neighborhood, or not really the neighborhood, but just the outside of the building, what it looks like, and the complex I'm living in, because it's kind of got some cool features. Let's go. So, right outside my place, here's a metro station for the subway, so it's extremely convenient. It's only like half a lorry, and my apartment is that one there. So not bad, right? So, and then let's go and I'll show you to the back. There's no main entrance, there's only a back entrance. And this is the back area. The main, I guess the only entrance to the building is to my right here. It's a gated door. And some morning they sell fruits and vegetables in this van, which is interesting. And the locals are just out. And here's a basketball court. It also has a little seating area with a table. So maybe one of these days I'll show you guys how I ball, okay? I challenge anyone to a game of basketball. They used to call me the bus driver because I took everybody to school. All right, so that's the outside of the place. Let's go back inside. Apartment there, and right across the street, here's a nice little bistro that I like to come and have coffee or lunch some days. It's really delicious. They got a nice variety of things. I'll see if I can grab a video of it. So that food was delicious. The eggplant, superb. Let's go back inside and I'll show you guys the apartment. So here we have a code. Press that simultaneously. And yeah, so yeah, the outside of this place also doesn't look too impressive, but I promise you the inside is much better than the last place. As you come in, it's got a nice little area where you can hang your coats and keys and whatnot, because that's important for me. I misplace everything. Got myself a nice tray of things that I need before going out. Nice mirror, hello. The bedroom and the bathroom are to the right and straightforward. I can show you guys that after. Coming into a living room, it's nice and spacious. It's got a dining room table, which I'm using just to do some work and use, just my laptop. On the right, it's got nice big sofa. It's nice and comfortable, and a decent sized TV. By the way, if you guys haven't checked out this show called Squid Games, I'm sure you have. Everyone's talking about it these days. I told my best friends Darko and Barry about it, and these guys are liking it too. So yeah, moving on to another small table. Outside, it's got a nice balcony, big window with bright lights coming through. Let's have a look. So my apartment is right above the metro station and across from a couple of sporting goods stores. It's actually really loud out here, but you won't know it and notice it when you're actually inside here. So the kitchen is over there. Let's have a look at the kitchen now. Let's take a look at the fridge here. It's a medium-sized fridge. Stainless steel. Oh, Hyundai. Cool. I didn't know they made fridges. Home sweet home, hopefully soon. Candle and an empty fridge because it's like my first day and I haven't had a chance to go stock up. I did get me some chocolate though. It's not bad, right? What's in the freezer? I don't know. Darkness. Oh, in a bag. Just ice. And right from the fridge you got like your dishwashing or rack or whatever, garbage can, a broom, sink, area here where you can prep some foods. It's not a big kitchen, but I think it's just meant for like Airbnb, not too many people cook. But I do have a hot top here that you can just cook something simple like an omelet maybe, and a microwave. Not bad. Let's take a look at these cupboards together. I haven't opened them, so it might surprise both of us. Glasses, teacups, some mugs, coffee up there. And down here under the sink, just got right. Whoa, what is that? A sack of potatoes. A sack of potatoes. That's interesting. A sack of potatoes under the sink. A vase or a vase? 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 One of those things. Guys, I'm opening these together at the same time, so hopefully there's nothing weird in here. Some plates. And knives and forks, cutlery. What's going on here? Peeler. And something locked up. Should I open this? Wait, I think I have a key. 1 second. You guys want me to open this or should I leave it? I don't know, it's kind of weird, right? What if I open something like I'm not supposed to? Wait, I think I have a key for like a lock like this. 1 second. I do have a key. But will it open this? Let's have a look. No, unfortunately it doesn't fit. Maybe it's for the best. I kind of want to see what's in there though. Anyways, I'll leave that alone. So that's it. That's the kitchen area. That was the kitchen area. Let's open up the bedroom. Here we go. Once again, big windows. Wake you up early in the morning to get your day started. Nice comfortable bed over here. Lamp. Side table there. It's got a big dresser here where you can hang up your clothes. And my escape bag for when I need like a quick getaway from the immigration officers. That's it. My clothes is, got iron, blow dryer. Let's get out and check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's got a decent sized shower to the right. Just regular stuff, sink. This is like all the toiletry I own. And a regular toilet. That's it. It's a heater. Touch it. Nice and warm. By the way, guys, I don't know how some people take showers in like cold water. I don't understand. I need to have like a hot shower. Let me know. Do you guys take hot showers or cold showers? I'm curious how many people can withstand having just a cold shower. That's it. Let's sit down and I'll tell you guys how much this place costs. That was my apartment, guys. So I'll tell you some things I really like about this place and maybe a couple things I don't like. So the first negative thing, something I don't really like about this place is it doesn't have like a washer dryer, right? So I can't really, let me fix that. There we go. So if I want to wash my clothes, I have to go find a place to wash my clothes. I guess it wasn't really designed for long-term Airbnb stays, just probably a week or so, and people don't really need to wash clothes. So I have to find a place to wash my clothes, but that's not a problem. I mean, once a week or once every 2 weeks, I can just go out and do something, find a place. A good thing about it is how bright it is, right? So big windows in every room, the living room, so it's nice and bright. I don't feel like I'm in a basement or living in a prison or something like that. So I really like that about it. Another negative thing is, I don't know. I think that's the only negative thing. But a good thing is right above the metro station. So things are really cheap here if you're taking the metro. It's like a 20 or 30 cents if you want to take a one-way train ride anywhere in the city, basically. So it's right above that, very convenient. And another thing I like about it, it's nice and quiet, even though it's close to the metro station. So those are some things I like about this place and some things I don't like about this place. So let's get to the price. How much am I paying for this? If you're living in New York, in Toronto, Tokyo, any of these cities, you know that the prices of rent is going like through the roof, right? It's getting really, really expensive. But this place I got through Airbnb. I spoke with the host, just like the last place, but since I was already here, I got a chance to come and take a look at the place before agreeing to anything. So they wanted around $800 US for this place monthly, but but because I clicked on monthly rental, it was reduced to almost half price, so around 450 USD per month. But I still talked to the lady and I told her, hey, listen, I'm gonna maybe rent this place a month or two. Would you accept 350 USD? So that's what I'm paying for this place. I'm paying $350 for everything that's included. So internet, water, heat, hydro, all that's included. I don't have to worry about utilities, bills, signing a 1-year contract or nothing like that. So 350 bucks for a place like this in Tbilisi, Georgia. What do you guys think? Is it worth the price? Is it not worth the price? And I would love to know your thoughts. Like, let me know which city you live in and how much a place like this, a 1-bedroom with all the utilities included, would cost in your city. So write down the name of your city and approximately how much this would cost. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.